ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Startup Central with me, Sumita Karir. And the big news story coming in from the world of tech. Well, a new AI model from the East is giving AI giants in Silicon Valley sleepless nights. In fact, a run for their money as well. DeepSeek is an AI startup that's been launched in China. It's a reasoning-based AI model that was launched earlier this month. And it is priced much lower than competitors. And what exactly is this new AI model that's been launched in China, and how could it really disrupt the overall AI landscape? My colleague Anjali Palod is joining us live. She's standing by in a newsroom. She's breaking it down for all you viewers.
That's right. The latest AI model from China's rising startup, DeepSeek, is spelling trouble for companies like Nvidia, OpenAI and Google. So what's the story behind DeepSeek? Let's find out. So it was founded in 2023. DeepSeek, which is an open source AI development startup, has been rolling out various models. It is funded by Highflyer, which is a hedge fund whose founder Liang Wenfeng is known to deploy AI algorithms to make investments in the past as well. Using his expertise from these investments, he started research on developing LLMs and reasoning AI models. The latest launches like the DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek V3 are the ones that are turning heads. However, they have developed various other models in the past as well. So now this one, which was launched on January 20th, which is the DeepSeek R1, it's a reasoning model. So unlike traditional AI models that you may have used like the ChatGPT 4o, which is focused more on text generation, this one excels at complex reasoning, problem solving as well as strategic decision making. So this can handle tasks that typical language models struggle with. But what's so special about DeepSeek is the real magic of its ability to achieve big results with a fraction of its competitors. Take its V3 model, for example. Now, this one had a training budget of just $5.5 million. So which means with very razor thin budgets as well as very short timelines, these AI models have been developed. The R1 model, it was developed in just 2 months. This is a fraction of the time as well as the money that Silicon Valley giants have been spending on their models. This R1 and all of this is in spite of the US sanctions that have been put in place to ban exports of chips to China. What seemed to have happened here is that Liang got hold of a bunch of Nvidia A100 chips, which is an older version. While these perform at half the speed of newer versions, DeepSeek used various techniques like reinforcement learning, where it rewarded the model for correct responses, mixture of experts architecture, where it selectively activates relevant parts of model, and all of this helped it to compress the amount of data and the energy that the models were consuming, as well as really expedite the process and timelines for these models. Now, DeepSeek's focus on efficiency has not just slashed these development costs, it has benefited the users as well. So the DeepSeek charges its API users just 0.55 per million input tokens. OpenAI, on the other hand, costs $15 and it charges 2.19 per million token output tokens, for which OpenAI charges $60. So DeepSeek's triumphs have caught the attention of US giants too, who are now expected to take China's AI capabilities more seriously. Here's what Satya Nadella had to say about DeepSeek's capabilities also, and he has said that it is time that we start taking China's AI capabilities more seriously. Now, after this, the stocks of chipmaker Nvidia have nosedived as the world questions whether billion-dollar budget.
All right, thank you very much, Anjali, for getting us all of those details. Like you rightly said, that in fact stocks have been globally feeling the heat, as DeepSeek actually has demonstrated that one doesn't really need massive capital investments to develop cutting-edge AI. We'll have to see how this war between China and the US with respect to tech dominance really plays out over the next couple of months.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.